Let's paint a shifting shadow. Place an object next to a piece of paper. Then use a flashlight to create shadows in different directions. Lightly trace each shadow with a pencil. Ready for a creativity tip? In each shadow position, fill the shadow with a light wash of watercolor. Watercolors have a unique layering ability that allows you to see different colors interact, mix, and combine. In the end, you'll see the progression of the shadows and a fun guide on mixing colors. Parents and teachers, follow Crayola Learning on social media and subscribe for more colorful, creative content. Thank you so much for joining us. Stay colorful with creativity tips.